Okay, I'm going to use a hair dryer to blow this 3D printed glasses to bend with a warp angle as similar as the commercial glasses. So as a reference, that is the angle that I want to achieve, and this is a little bit too flat, so I put the lens inside the 3D printed glasses so that when it's warping it will not make the lines unable to put the lens back in. And thanks to Omidel, from the previous video, the comment mentioned about the warp angle and the pantoscopic angle. The previous video, I created these glasses using 3D printed material. It is a little bit too flat, does not have the warp angle, and a little bit too 90 degrees, making this area a bit too close to the eyebrows and too close to the eyeballs, making it less comfortable to wear, so I have to wear it a bit further from my eye. But for this, I can actually have this warp angle using the method I showed you just now. And the hinge itself have a little angle, so it's a U shape. So when I wear it, the front part is further from my eye without causing the front part to be closer to my eye or eyebrow, making it more comfortable to wear. The only downside is this particular tool angle is a little bit tight, so I have to either bend it so that it's not that tight compared to this one. Yeah, so basically that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching Simon's video. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.